Welcome to Morocco, a land of color, culture, and contrast. From the lively chaos of Marrakesh to the silence of the Sahara, Morocco is a journey that touches all the senses. Here, ancient traditions meet vibrant street life, and every corner offers a story waiting to be discovered. Let's begin in Marrakesh. The city's heart beats in its old medina, a maze of narrow streets filled with market stalls, spice cellars, and hidden courtyards. The famous Jama El Fna Square comes alive each evening with snake charmers, musicians, food carts, and storytellers. Just a short walk away, the Koutoubia Mosque stands tall, its 12th century minaret visible from almost anywhere in the city. While non-Muslims can't enter, the mosque's gardens are a peaceful retreat. A little deeper into the city, the Bahia Palace showcases the very best of Moroccan craftsmanship: carved wood, painted ceilings, and peaceful courtyards filled with birdsong. But the true soul of Marrakesh is in the details. A cup of mint tea shared in a quiet riad, the call to prayer echoing through the alleyways, the scent of orange blossoms and grilled meat filling the air. Next, we head north to Fez, a city steeped in history. Its ancient medina, Fez El Bali, is a labyrinth of more than 9,000 alleyways, where life carries on much as it has for centuries. It's home to the oldest university in the world, Al Qarawiyyin, and the famous Chouara Tannery, where workers dye leather using centuries-old techniques in vast stone vats. The colors, the smell, and the energy of the place make it unforgettable. From there, the journey turns towards the desert, to Merzouga and the mighty dunes of Erg Chebi. This is the edge of the Sahara. Here you can ride a camel into the sunset, spend the night in a Berber tent under the stars, and wake up to watch the golden sands come alive at dawn. The silence is deep, the skies impossibly wide, and the experience magical. On the way to the desert, you'll pass Aït Benhaddou, a centuries-old fortified village made of clay and straw. It's been featured in countless films and series, and standing in its narrow streets feels like stepping back in time. If you're craving mountain air, head to Tadra Gorge in the Atlas Mountains. Towering red rock cliffs and fresh spring water make this a favorite for hikers and climbers. Now for something different. Chefchaouen. Tucked away in the Rif Mountains, this little town is known for its blue-painted buildings and peaceful pace of life. It's one of the most photogenic places in Morocco and a perfect escape from the bustle of the bigger cities. Beyond the sights, Morocco is a cultural experience. Hospitality is central to Moroccan life. Expect to be offered tea in every home and shop. Traditional music fills the air, from Berber rhythms to Nawa soul. And the food? It's a journey in itself. Try a slow-cooked tagine of lamb and apricots, or a steaming bowl of couscous on a Friday. Harira soup warms the soul, and pastilla, with its blend of sweet and savory, will surprise you. Street food is everywhere. Grilled meats, warm flatbreads, fresh orange juice, even snail soup for the adventurous. For something truly special, spend a day like a local. Visit a hammam for a traditional bath and scrub. Take a cooking class and learn to make your own tagine. Or head into the high Atlas Mountains to meet Berber villagers who still live much as they did centuries ago. Getting around Morocco is part of the fun. Trains connect major cities like Marrakesh, Fez, Casablanca, and Tangier. Buses and shared taxis reach the smaller towns and desert outposts. The journey from Marrakesh to Merzouga is long, often done overnight by bus, but well worth it for the desert experience. The best time to visit Morocco is in spring or autumn, when the weather is mild and the landscapes are at their best. Summers can be scorching, especially inland and in the desert, while winters bring snow to the mountains and cool breezes to the coast. Plan to spend up to 10 if you want to see the cities, the mountains, and the desert without rushing. Budget accommodation is easy to find and full of charm. In Marrakesh and Fez, stay in a traditional riad tucked into the medina. In Merzouga, sleep in a desert camp or a local guest house at the edge of the dunes. In Chefchaouen, choose a blue-washed inn with views of the mountains. You'll find warm hospitality everywhere you go. And finally, a few cultural tips to keep in mind. Dress modestly, especially in rural areas and religious sites. Friday is a holy day, so expect some places to close for midday prayer. During Ramadan, avoid eating or drinking in public during daylight hours. Always ask before taking photos of people. And don't forget, tipping is appreciated and often expected. Morocco is not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel. In the swirl of the souks, the calm of the desert, and the warmth of its people, you'll find a journey that stays with you long after the trip is over. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Your support means the world to me, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. I've got tons of exciting content lined up just for you, and you won't want to miss it. Join our community, leave a comment below, and let's continue this journey together. See you in the next video.